You can use these blocks to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You can make more advanced equations by stacking them inside each other. Use this block to pick a random number. For example, to randomize which enemy sprite will appear. The greater than, less than, and equal blocks can be used in blocks that accept this shape of block, and they all return true or false. Here's an example of the blocks being used to check the outside temperature. Some other true or false Boolean blocks are the and, or, not blocks. And means both of the statements have to be true. Or means only one of the statements has to be true. Not returns the opposite of true or false. For example, we can repeat something until the mouse is not clicking. Join blocks can join words, variables, equations, etc. into one string of text. You can stack multiple join blocks together to create a clock, but I talk about that in another video in my Scratch playlists. If you want to detect a specific letter of text, use this block, or even detect if something contains a character in it. Note that this works whether the character is capitalized or not, but it will return true if it's empty. Mod is short for modulo, which returns the remainder when you divide the first number by the second number. For example, 10 mod 3 will return a 1 because 10 divided by 3 has a remainder of 1. But if you do 10 mod 2, it will return 0 because 10 divided by 2 equals 5 and doesn't have a remainder. The round block will round up decimals that are 0.5 or higher and round down decimals that are less than 0.5. Another option for removing decimals from a number is to use floor to always round down and ceiling to always round up. Absolute value basically returns any number into a positive number. For example, if it's negative 10, it becomes positive 10, and if it's already positive 10, it stays positive 10. The square root block will return the square root of whatever number you put in it. For example, if you put 100 in the square root, it will return 10. Sine, cosine, tangent, arcsine, arcosine, arctangent, natural log, logarithm, Euler's number, and 10 to the power of blocks all perform some pretty specific mathematic functions that are discussed in the Scratch wiki that I link in the description below. Check out my playlist for even more Scratch tips or to learn how to teach computer science.